Did you know the government once told a man his deadly disease was just bad blood? In 1932, Charlie Pollard was a poor sharecropper in Alabama when doctors arrived with an incredible offer: free healthcare, hot meals, and burial insurance, all for having bad blood. Charlie eagerly signed up, grateful for medical attention he could never afford. But the doctors weren't there to help him. They were studying untreated syphilis in black men, and Charlie was their test subject. For 40 years, they watched him slowly deteriorate while pretending to treat him. When penicillin became available and could cure syphilis completely, they hid it from him. Instead, they performed spinal taps without anesthesia, calling it special free treatment. Charlie went blind, then lost his mind as the disease ate through his nervous system. The doctors took detailed notes as he suffered. By the end, 399 men had been tortured for 4 decades. Their wives and children caught the disease too, all in the name of science. Did you know the CIA once erased a woman's entire personality and called it treatment? In 1963, Linda McDonald walked into Allen Memorial Institute in Montreal seeking help for minor depression. She expected routine therapy sessions, maybe some medication. Instead, she met Dr. Ewan Cameron, who convinced her she needed special treatment. What followed was pure horror disguised as medicine. Cameron forced her into drug-induced comas lasting months, pumped massive doses of LSD into her system. For 16 hours every day, speakers blasted the same recorded message into her ears. This was called psychic driving, part of the CIA's secret MK Ultra program. Slowly, her mind disintegrated. She forgot her own name, couldn't recognize her children. The ability to read, write, even walk vanished completely. When she finally awakened, Linda McDonald no longer existed. She was a blank slate, forced to relearn everything from speaking to basic motor skills. The woman who entered that hospital was gone forever, and American taxpayers funded every moment of her torture. Did you know the US government once used psychiatric patients as human lab rats for deadly disease experiments? In 1946, a woman named Berta sat in a Guatemalan mental hospital as nurses approached with a syringe. "Just vitamins," they told her in Spanish. "This will help you feel better." But Dr. John Cutler wasn't there to heal anyone. He was there to infect over 1,300 people with syphilis and gonorrhea without their knowledge. The CIA had approved everything. Prisoners were forced into rooms with infected prostitutes while doctors watched and took notes. Mental patients like Berta received injections they believed were medicine. Then came the waiting and the documenting. Berta's skin began breaking into open sores. Her mind deteriorated as the disease ate away at her nervous system. She died in agony, never knowing what had been done to her. For 60 years, the US government buried this horror. The truth only surfaced in 2010, hidden in dusty medical files. Real evil doesn't need monsters. Sometimes it just needs men in white coats.
Subscribe.